ChatGPT is changing the world, and in my opinion, it's one of the greatest tools to ever be released since the iPhone. We are literally witnessing a new era of technology. Now, if you like saving time, having customized, SEO-friendly content written for you, and having it done all completely free, then you are going to love this ChatGPT strategy. Okay, so check this out. Step 1, you want to Google ChatGPT and click on the site from openai.com. It'll take you to a sketchy looking site, but I promise you it's legit. Once you click on try ChatGPT, it'll take you to the chat room. Now, ChatGPT works in chats, hence the word ChatGPT. And that takes us to step number 2. Step 2 is to create a new chat and train the AI. When you open a new chat, you'll want to train the AI to learn more about the topic you want to highlight. That way, you'll be able to pick and choose the correct options to include within your video script. So let's type in, write a list of 20 home seller fears that hold them back from selling their homes. Quick side note, notice that I'm giving a clear action. Write a list and a clear outcome, 20 seller fears. I've even added some description words in the tail end of the actions as well. Clarity is key when it comes to using this tool. So if you get an outcome that isn't correct, just try it again with an even more specific ask. People don't want to be reminded of their fears, they want solutions to their fears. So for step 3, we're gonna ask ChatGPT to write us solutions on how to overcome all 20 of these fears. And you can type in this request. Write a list of solutions to the 20 fears stated above. Now, once you have your pain points and solutions, your main content outline will be complete. Now it's time to ask ChatGPT to flesh out a video script for you. Another side note, I am not entirely sure why this is the case, but our human brains just get tickled by headlines that include odd numbers, like 3 tips for doing this, 5 ways to achieve this, 7 strategies, 9 outcomes. You get the point. So now that we have 20 topics to choose from, choose an odd number of fears and strategies to highlight. So step 4 is to choose an odd number of topics to highlight and then ask ChatGPT to write your script. When requesting your script, ask the chat this request. Write a social media video script highlighting the fears and solutions to numbers, and then have the numbers separated by commas, and then you're good to go. Once you hit enter, ChatGPT will create your script. And if you feel like the initial script is too short, just ask the AI to rewrite your script and make it longer. And then step 5 is copy and paste the final script into a Google Doc. Once you've copy and pasted your script, then you are good to go, right? Wrong. Plot twist, the AI isn't fully there yet. It's a remarkable tool if you want to create ideas and even give you a solid foundation. But your unique point of view is what's going to help you stand out on any social media platform. And this is especially true if you're trying to build out your business's brand. So just remember, ChatGPT is a tool to help you build a foundation for your content. We will still know our target audience and their goals better than the AI will, for now. So always try to add in some empathy and some form of human element to your content when possible. So another tip is to always go back, make revisions to the script because it's not going to be perfect. And while you're making the revisions, add in some human elements to make your videos more uniquely you. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and you'll probably love this video here where I show you how to optimize your Facebook business page the right way in 2023. So check that out.